Hello friends, in today's tutorial we are going to explore how to use a breadboard. So this is going to be a first lecture on this series. Here we will explore the breadboard which is used for solderless connectivity of electronic equipments. So let's start the video. For this session we will be requiring one breadboard which look like this one. It's a board company new branded one. We will open it and show how to use this one. We will be needing some few wires or a jumper to test the connectivity. Battery will be required. We also need a LED and resistor, and we will also see how to use a multimeter. So this is a multimeter, we will be using it. So let's start the multimeter. We can see that there is a two probes, one for the positive connection, another is for the negative connections. Put this red probe into V and a black one we will put into COM, that is a common. Then we will switch on. Let me test. Oh, good. It's 8.3. So I can use this battery. This battery is in a good condition. So to measure voltage, we will put this arrow one into under a 9-volt battery, and here in the display we can see that the values this battery is having. Now it's showing 7.78. So I can use this battery. Let me take out the LED and a resistor for calculations or computation. This is to LED. I will be needing one 200 ohm resistor. So to measure the resistor, I need to adjust this knob into a ohm part. This is very high. This indicates 38 kilo ohm. I will be needing some other resistor. So let's test the output of resistance. This is 115 ohm. I can use this. This is indicating 228 kV. This is 228K, much larger one. this is 215. So let's use this green one. I already have one breadboard open. So what I can do is, let's first understand the connections of this breadboard. So we are having two connections, two red line we can observe here. So this red line, and there is a one another red line over here. Okay, we can see that there is a discontinuity between the line. So there is a cut between this place and between this place. So the connection is that everything which starts from here till here are connected. So these two lines are connected. Okay, so if we put a positive over here and negative supply to this point, so wherever, means we can use any point from this terminal to get a power, whereas in other part we can see that there are numbers. For example, here 40 is written, so this is 41, 42 and so on till 45, then 50, 55 and so on. Here they are connected like this. Okay, here it is connected like this one, whereas the angle is changed, and this is a discontinuity. So the breadboard is designed in a such a way that here there is a discontinuity, this part is discontinuous, and here this is discontinuous. So now let me first give a power supply. I have given power at this place. Perfect. This is my negative. I will use one resistor. And this, here we can see that LED is glowing. So what happened? We can easily notice that current is coming from the battery through a red line. Okay, it is here. Then these lines are connected, so this part is becoming connected. Now the smaller one, here we can see that in LED we are having a two different size of leg in LED, means connections. This one is a larger one and this is smaller one. So larger one need to be connected with the positive part, and smaller need to be connected to a negative part. And now this circuit is connected with the resistor of 220 ohms, and finally this black wire is getting connected to a negative terminal, and finally this negative terminal is getting connected with here, and it goes to the battery. So in this way we can see that a circuit without soldering using a breadboard. So in our upcoming video series we will explore more on this, on how to handle electric circuit, how to design it using a breadboard. Okay, thank you.